So this is my new Tinker Electronics 7-inch dash that I'm going to be running in the car. I kind of got it just kind of plugged in and mocked up. That's the GPS antenna there for a GPS speedometer. It's got a LED shift light here on the side. Let's just kick the key on here. All right. This is the first time I am seeing this lit up. Okay, speed 404 means it's looking for a satellite. It's never been out on the road. AFR 35.7, advanced, intake air temp 74 degrees, engine coolant temp 91 degrees. All right. Well, let's just, battery 11.7. Let's just fire it up and see what happens. Pressure, battery, engine coolant temp, AFR, map. Can't compare it to my Terminator dash right now because I have that unplugged at the moment. But we seem to be working okay. Let's do this. Alright, this is a PID list. That's digital switches. That layout looks like. Else we can set this to. do any tuning through this like you can. There's 5 screens. The 5th one is a custom layout. Ooh, and it looks like I can set each screen, because on that one screen I had put IAC up here, and I don't have IAC now, so it looks like I can custom set each screen. Let me just see if I go back to that screen. I think that was screen 3. Yep, and IAC is back. Awesome. So I can set each one of these screens to different parameters if I wish. I should like this a lot. Alright. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. So alright. So let's shut her off. Pull back. Reigniter. The boot time on this is like really great. And it does come back to the screen where you left it. Starting to warm up now. So that is the Tinker Dash. The price of it is absolutely awesome. Tinker Electronics on Facebook or their website. The price is fantastic. Reaching out to them, I had some questions even before I purchased it. Reaching out to them, they were like immediately back to me with, I'm gonna say within probably a half hour. It was definitely way faster than that. They were getting right back to me. Response time was fantastic. Answered every one of my questions without even hesitating. Told me to feel free to ask any questions, run into any problems, trust me, it's a really good deal. I have a friend that is going to make me a plate, 3D print me a plate to cover the whole gauge area in the original bezel of the dash. And then my Tinker Dash will drop in there or mount to that. You know what? I may have a flush surface mount to it. I was gonna have it recessed in there, but there is an SD card slot here in the top, and there's a micro USB slot in the side that I may need to access at different points in time. So with that being said, I may have it surface mount. I think I got enough space to surface mount it and still use my wipers. We will figure that out. But yeah, so that is the Tinker Dash that is going to be going into the Vert.